Alright guys, this is the finished product. I didn't want the green bean, so this is what I got. I'm about to show you Cameron's. Let me see yours, Cameron. That was Cameron's plate. He don't eat mac and cheese, so don't judge my mac and cheese. This is the one I wanted. Try it again later. That's what I wanted. Thank you. Night.